Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to use map view in ClientlyBase. So to use map view, click on create a page. Now name the page. Let me name Google Maps. I'll select maps and select the view. Select the data source. In my case, this is Google Map. Now I'll keep this page public and click on continue. Here you have to specify the API key from the Google Maps. You can click on this link and it will guide you how to get the API key. If you want a video on this, how to get API key, you can drop a comment. Now I have the API key and click on Save API key. The setup is done. Now select the latitude field and the longitude field. You can select the default view. Let's keep this one. The zoom level, let's keep 2, grid size default. The marker title, name, and description, I don't have much, so let's use latitude and longitude. Cool. Then in records, you can filter out what are the records or locations you want to show. So let's say I want to use any of the editable view, that is also possible. Okay, I don't want them to create any records, so I'm going to disable this. Okay, if you want, you can enable it, create and edit. Next is fields, what are the fields they'll see if they if you give them option to create a record. So this is also not necessary. Let's add search and filter. So based on name they can search, and filter also let's do based on name, as I don't have any fields for that. And other settings like page title and description, so now you can click on create page. Now let's click on preview. So we have our map. I have 4 locations, so you can see Moscow, then Dubai, New Delhi, and Tokyo. You can search as well, let's say Tokyo. Now we only have Tokyo. Also filter works the same way. You can filter the records and it will show only those locations that are satisfied by the filter. So this is how you can use map view inside ClientlyBase. If you have any questions, you can drop a comment or you can click on the chat icon to contact us. Thank you. Have a good day.